Okay, so now you have students, right? You have gotten people to come onto your email list. You've gotten people to purchase your class, your tutorials, your workshops. Now what? I want you to know that once you have a person who has paid you to learn something, your next goal should then to have them become a customer for life, right? Once somebody takes the time to take out their credit card, put in the information, and buy something from you, it is now easier for them to buy from you again and again and again. It's easier for you to sell to them again than it is to go find a new prospect through ads or posting or social media. It's a lot easier to sell to the person who's already purchased from you. So you need to nurture that person. You need to nurture that person who has already spent their hard-earned money with you. And knowing you as a crafter, when you learn something for the first time, don't you think you still need help after, right? Don't you still have more questions? Yes, you do. And so you are now the expert, right? So you put yourself in an expert position. And so the number one thing that I feel crafters should do when they are selling craft tutorials is create a Facebook group, right? This was one of the first things I did when I purchased my class. I sold it as a piece of the puzzle for them learning when they purchased my tutorial or when they came and took a live class with me, because I know they're going to need help. So what I did was I funneled them from a lead magnet to my class to my Facebook group, because in my Facebook group, I can show up as the expert who can help and answer all the questions. And not only me, the group is a community of people who are learning the same thing. So I didn't necessarily have to show up all the time for every question. The other people in the group want to help as well, right? If they know something that can help somebody else, people are always willing to help. And so therefore it festers this great vibe of people helping people within the group. And not only is it people helping people, not only is it you showing up as the expert, it also creates a environment for you to sell to them again. So if class 1 was about how to use a Cricut machine to make t-shirts, if you know sublimation, class 2 can be on how to make sublimation t-shirts. And so now you have another offer that you can teach these crafters who have already purchased from you, number one, already interested in making t-shirts, number two. And that's almost like a no-brainer, right? So just to give you an idea. So if you don't take anything else from this video and take this, create an environment where your students can continue to get help and nurture that relationship between you and the community. While you're here, go ahead and click the description and grab my ebook, The Business of Teaching Craft Tutorials, and like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.